top of the roof. There's a small bird which can be seen at the far up. We still have catchment areas where we have some trees where the birds have nested. This makes this place very unique. You can hear the small bird singing from the roof. There are actually two. You can hear the birds from far off. Kurr, 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 kurr. It is so lovely when you hear those birds singing. You can hear that one. Kurr, kurr, kurr. So unique and so beautiful. The birds of the nature. Good, thank you. The birds continue singing unperturbed. You can look at the weather, how it looks like. Looks like it's almost raining, but just cloudy. And I believe the birds are so happy, as you can hear the sounds of the birds.